Late one night, the rhythmic clacking of my grandmother's old typewriter echoed through my dimly lit apartment, pulling me from a restless sleep. I rushed to the living room, heart pounding, only to find the machine typing furiously by itself, the keys dancing like possessed marionettes. It was crafting a story, a murder mystery where the victim shared my name. Each thud of the typewriter hammered fear into my chest, the narrative unfolding a chilling prophecy of my impending demise, set to occur in the very room I stood. Desperate to stop it, I yanked the power cord, but the keys continued their relentless march. As I read on, the story described a shadowy figure lurking just outside my window, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Panic surged through me as I turned to glance at the window, only to find it slightly ajar, a cold breeze whispering secrets of fate. In that moment, I realized the typewriter wasn't just telling a story.